This video tutorial I will cover parse method of duration class. Here I have defined the class duration demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I am calling parse method of duration class and passing text to be parsed. This method parse this text and returns duration object. Here you can see the duration format which we can pass to the parse method of duration class. D means days, H means hours, M means minutes, S means seconds. Here you can see the sample text which we can pass to the parse method of duration class and its corresponding output.